Merry Christmas, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you all the fun parts of me trying to kill a chicken. I showed when I was butchering it, I showed how the chicken was struggling with me and everything else in this video, but I won't be sharing the recipe I cooked with it because I cooked a lot of recipes with the chicken that I killed. I made chicken pepper soup, I made chicken nuggets, I made spicy chicken, I made oilless chicken stew with just one chicken. So yeah, this is me trying to kill the chicken. This is my first attempt at killing a chicken since I was born. This is my first time killing a chicken and it was not really easy for me. So I had to use the knife to remove the feathers so that I can have access to the neck, and yeah, slice it off, let the blood drip out, and then the next we're going to clean it up. So here I did it outside. So after removing the neck, the next is to pour hot water on the feathers. This will make you to easily remove the feather without stress. As you can see, I poured this on one side, then I flipped over, and then I'm going to pour in the remaining hot water on the other side of the chicken. This is also the same method that we're going to use if you want to kill a turkey, guinea fowl, cock, hen, any kind of bird, any kind of fowl that you want to use. This is the method to use. But if you are killing cow or goat, I think after cutting the neck, the next thing is to roast it on the fire to remove the hairs on the body. I think that's how it's done for goat and cow and others. So after killing it, like I said, I'm now removing the feathers. This doesn't really take a lot of time, but I am doing it alone. I'm doing it all alone, so it took me about 30 minutes to get it properly cleaned off. And you can see I'm trying to escape the hot water. The water is still very hot, so yeah, I just went ahead to remove all the feathers as much as possible. Meanwhile, while that is going on, kindly tell me what you are preparing for Christmas. What are you cooking? What did you cook? Let me know what you cooked for Christmas. Did you cook fried rice? Did you cook jollof rice? Did you cook rice and stew? Or you made puff, or you made egg roll, or you made just salad and chicken? Let me know. So guys, after I removed the first set of feathers, I noticed there were others left. I had to pour in another hot water to remove the little ones that were not properly removed. So while I was cleaning the chicken, I made a mistake, right? I did not allow all the blood to drip out from the neck. That's why you can see some blood from the neck of the fowl. So yeah, in case of next time, I think I'll do better. Like I said, this is my first time doing that. So yeah, now I'm still in the process of killing, or rather cleaning the chicken. I'm still in the process of cleaning the chicken. It wasn't really easy. I was thinking it's just something that you just kill, remove the feathers, butcher it and cook. Guys, this thing took me more than 1 hour to finish the whole process. It took me more than 1 hour to finish the whole process. And when I was killing it, I was like, this thing is not easy. It's not as easy as people are saying it is. In Nigeria now, when people are celebrating Christmas, you see them post on social media. Some will wear pajamas and snap picture under family tree, and some people come dey vex say, what of we no get husband, or what of we no get family, as in complete family, to do the whole matching pajamas with wetin go come be our faith. But it's not really about that. You can do your personal pictures with whatever way you are celebrating your Christmas. Depend on you. You do what is right, what you think you're comfortable with, or you snap with your friends, of course. Yeah. So guys, I finished cleaning now. It's time to properly butcher it, cut it into pieces. If you notice, there are some little hairs on the chicken. You can just put it on fire and it will be off. Now I fetch some water and I'm going to cut it into small pieces and put it in the water for proper washing. So this is me removing the first feather. Like I said, this is my first attempt. I know it might be easier for some people, but this is my first attempt at killing and butchering a chicken, and I decided to record it for us to see. Can you tell me how I do? Can you rate my skill? How did I do? Did I do well? I'd like to see that in the comments. So yesterday I saw this post on Facebook where Yul Edochie's first wife posted a family picture, Christmas picture, and the husband Yul Edochie was not there, because you already know the whole story, the issues as on ground, because Yul Edochie married a second wife, right? So the first wife posted the family picture with her children and the man was not in the picture. So some Nigerians went ahead and edited the picture and added Yul Edochie picture to it, and the caption that this is how a proper family picture should look like. And Yul Edochie now commented on it and say that yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. Yul Edochie now wrote May Zwan Izike, like May, make me rest. I don't know how to pronounce the write up in Igbo. It was so funny, and people were now saying, why is this man so childish? What's your opinion on that? Do you think it's proper? Do you think that she would have included him in the picture, or just do her thing? Well, for me, I don't know. I'm not just going to make any comments on family issue, So as you can see, I'm still struggling with the chicken. It's not very easy. I don't know if it's my knife or because I was already getting tired, but the chicken is actually a very big one. It's big, it's fleshy, and it's delicious. Please, if you are new to my channel, please go watch all my videos. Please. I have a lot of African recipes, African dishes, African food recipes: Ghana jollof, Nigerian jollof, ogbono soup, egusi soup, egusi pepper soup, egusi soup with ugu, egusi soup with bitter leaf, egusi soup with fish, egusi soup with goat meat, jollof rice with turkey, jollof rice with chicken, jollof rice with goat's meat, bopof recipe, how to make akara and pap. Different food ideas on my page. I uploaded a lot of videos last year and I'll be uploading more this year. Okay, I have a lot. I have easy homemade food, Nigerian breakfast, Nigerian lunch, Nigerian dinner, African breakfast idea, akara, egg and bread, plantain and beans, plantain and egg sauce, everything. I have all on my channel. I record videos on a daily basis and I upload as often as I can. So please do well to watch my videos, leave a comment, leave a like, and you can share the one that you think you want to share. Thank you so much. What do you think about my chicken killing video? This is just a normal vlog. I just recorded how I killed the Christmas chicken, although I think this Christmas chicken of a thing is just for Nigerians. It's not really it's mostly Nigerian thing though, because at most parts of the world they usually don't celebrate Christmas like this. They just exchange gifts and maybe just eat out and that's it. But you see the way you guys make turkey for Thanksgiving in America, that's how chicken is to us in Christmas. Any Christmas where they no keep chicken, that Christmas no sweet. Christmas chicken is very important. Christmas jollof rice or pounded yam is very important. They must cook that too. And the way we usually do it in Nigeria or Africa is that we just cook in large quantity and we share to our neighbors and friends. You see parents, they'll put food on tray and give to children, go give it to our neighbor. Same way the neighbor will bring to the same people, share to your neighbors. And yeah, that's how we usually do Christmas in Nigeria. And we go to church and receive some prayers and blessings, and yeah, it's just like that. And some people, they do after party, maybe go to club or go to some get together and dance. And that's how they usually celebrate Christmas in Nigeria. Just a few people exchange gifts, and yeah, that's how we usually celebrate the Christmas holiday in Nigeria. In fact, Christmas and New Year, they are like together. These days in between are always full of celebration. As you can see, the video is coming to an end. I'm almost at the concluding part of the video. I've already removed the intestine of the chicken. As you can see, I've removed the intestine. I'm struggling to remove the other inside, inside the gizzard, the liver and all that, but at the same time I'm still trying to be careful. I don't want to injure myself, and I don't want to cut out the parts I would not like to cut out. So I'm just being careful. This is the gizzard that I just removed. So for the gizzard, what we usually do is to cut it open and remove the raw food of the chicken that is inside the gizzard. That's how we usually do it. Just as you can see in the video, I just cut it into two and remove the food that is inside, because the gizzard always contains some undigested food of the chicken. So you want to bring it out and wash it properly. Yeah, this is it. Just throw it away. As you can see, just pour everything away and yeah, rinse it off. And you see the yellow parts of the gizzard is something you can easily remove. Just when you kill the chicken, you can easily peel it off. So I went ahead to continue with the cutting process. I don't want to cut the chicken into two small pieces because I have plans for it. The chicken breast, I needed it to make the chicken nuggets, and then the wings and some other parts I needed it for the soup. So here it is, properly washed and ready to be seasoned and cooked. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.